How to delete apps on your iPad. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Solution Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can delete applications on your iPad. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So you might have installed a bunch of different applications and games. You're simply not being able to figure out how you can delete those apps. Well, if that is the case, make sure to watch this video till the end, because I will show you how you can do that very easily. Well, the first thing we are going to do is I will show you two ways on how you can delete an app. One is the long way from the settings app. So first of all, we will go to settings. Once we go to settings, make sure right over here that you are under the general tab. So you have different options. Make sure you're under general, and over here you simply want to go to iPad storage. I will tap on iPad storage. As soon as you tap on iPad storage, you'll be able to see a list of all of the applications which are installed on your iPad. For example, let's say I simply want to delete one of these applications. What I will do is I will go ahead and then simply select an application over here. Once you select the application, you basically have two options, that is to either offload the app or to delete the app. And in this video, we're going to learn how we can delete it. So tap on the red button which says delete, and it will ask you to delete it. Tap on delete, and it is basically going to remove that app from your iPad itself. And this is the first way to delete apps. The other way is that you can remove right from your home screen, and on your home screen as well, you can either remove them from your home screen or you can either remove them permanently. For example, let me go ahead and then select a certain app over here. What you have to do is simply long press on a particular app or game which you want to delete, and you'll find this option or this pop-up menu which is delete app in this trash icon. All you have to do is tap on the delete app button. As soon as you do that, you'll see delete this game or app data. So I will tap on the delete button which you see. As soon as you tap on delete, you can see that application has successfully been deleted. You could basically repeat the process for any other applications which you might want to delete right over here. And this is basically how you could delete iPad apps. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.